Yo, what's going on, guys? It's been a while, but yeah, we back at it. So today we'll be growing the 72-cent account. So I've already opened a trade here on Jump 10 Index, and it's already in a bit of profit. So let's just check the whole analysis here. Let's switch to the H4, and as you can see here, I've already drawn my diagonal supporting trend line, which indicates an uptrend, and at the top we have the diagonal resisting trend line. So you can see that the market there is moving in a channel, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put my shadow gray zones so that I can indicate the levels of support and resistance. So at the top you can see that the market is at a supporting level, but then it's gonna break that supporting level to at least touch the diagonal supporting trend line, so that it can create a form of like a higher low, and then so it can push to the upside to create a higher high. So if we zoom in, doing trend in trend, you can see that inside of the uptrend there's a downtrend, which is the reason why I have put a selling position there. So before the market will buy, it has to sell first. So even our Fibonacci retracement tool confirms that at exactly somewhere where we've put the sell, you can see that the market is at the level of 61.8. so it's the golden zone. We have a higher chance there of the market pushing to the downside. So there's more rejections or more retracements at that area, and there's a higher resistance level there. So it can either go up first before going down, or it can straight go down. So for now, all we do is just wait. As you can see there, we're running in 2.90 something dollars. Okay, so we've managed to close the previous trade with $3.80, and now let's have a look at volatility 100. I can already tell that it's on a downtrend. So let's just put our arrow there to indicate that the market is making some lower lows and lower highs, and at this moment we can see that the market has let's just adjust it correctly there, so you can see that it has touched the trend line. So it made a third touch, indicating that the market might reverse at that point. But there's some indicators that we need to look for, or confirmations. So let's just draw our support and resistance level. So you can see that when the market touches a resistance, it fails to break to the upside, it continues going down. So same as that level, the market has failed to break that resistance level, and confirmation, it is accompanied by that diagonal resistance at the top there. So as you can see, we're having a reversal candlestick there, and it means the market is failing to break to the upside. So at that level, we just need to capitalize, put our selling order, and yeah, I'm just gonna open these positions, and then we'll just hold a little bit to see how much we can make. So the market failed to break that shadow gray zone. It also failed to break that our line there. So at this moment, we're just anticipating for the market to hit that resistance level. So I've opened 3 positions there. So let's just wait and see here. So as you can see, the market really pushed to the downside, and yeah, it really pushed to the downside. It's still continuing to push. So let us see how much we have made here. From $3.80, we are now in $12. So this is a major win for us, considering that we only had like 72 cents from this account. So yeah, so these are just ways that you can draw your support and resistance levels accompanied by your trend lines. So you can really do great analysis using the two combinations. So for now, we're just going to bulk operate and close all the positions and secure our profit. So our total is now 16.06. So yeah, and let us look for some more instruments that we can capitalize on. So remember guys, we only had 72 cents in this account. Now we at 16.06. so let us have a look at crash 300 index. So I'm on the 15 minutes chart because it's a little bit clear. Yeah, but if maybe we can switch to a higher time frame, we can also do that, but I'm going to mainly just focus on the 15 minutes chart. So what I like to do, if I'm not sure what the instrument's minimum volume is, I will go to check on the options, and then now I know it's 0.5. so you just click on the instrument, open the details, and then there you can see how much it requires as minimum volume for you to open a position. So on this one, it's very tricky. It's in a consolidating phase, so you can see it doesn't break any levels there, so it just keeps going up, down, which is a little bit risky to enter, but I've spotted a little bit of something inside of the consolidation. So I'm just gonna show you just now. As you can see, it's full of double bottoms, which is the W's right here. Let's zoom in. It's making the same thing, so we're expecting a move to the upside so it can touch that resisting gray shadow zone at the top. So right there you can see it's a strong level of support, so the market needs to push to the upside to complete that W formation. So yeah, it doesn't allow me to open multiple positions, but yeah, I've just opened one. So for now, this is where we at. This is the easiest of them all. Once you spot a W, you just need like few confirmations, and then you enter the market. So at this point, we're a little bit late, but yeah, it's better late than never. So I know that it's going to push to the upside. As you can see here, after a couple of hours, it pushed to the upside just a little, but we missed. You can see there it pushed to the upside. I was away from the market, then it came back again, and then now I'm just waiting for it to at least push again to the upside. But yeah, at this level there's a strong level of resistance or retracement, so it's at the 61.8 level there. That's why it gave us that move to the downside. So far we have made $4.30 something, bringing our equity to $20.42. So yeah, this is a major win for us. Yeah, this is a big win for us, even though the market didn't move as we had expected, but it did move. It's just that I was away from the market. So yeah, let's just see what else we can trade at this point and grow this account. So right here I'm on Boom 900 index, and yeah, it's at its lowest at this moment. So let's have a look here. I'm on the H4, which gives me a clear picture of the overall market. So previously we've had that support there. The market has failed to break below for multiple times. So at this point, history, it's repeating itself. So I'm just going to make use of that. This is also the W formation. We all know what W's do. They always come to the top side, but obviously since we're just trying to grow this account and scalping, we're not going to wait for it to grow or to reach to the top side. So right there, I'm just checking for the minimum lot that I can use to put a position there, because usually I don't trade booms or crashes, so it still confuses me at times what lot size I should use. So yeah, you just go onto the instrument and then you click on details, and then you go down a bit. It will show you the minimum and the maximum volume that you can use to open a position there. So I've opened 3 positions, and then yeah, let's just wait and see what the market does from this point on. So yeah, we can secure some profits. So I'm not going to speak much about the W's because we've spoken about them. So my target is just at the top there, and we are out. So yeah, let's just wait and see what the market does here. So right here, the market gave us a small push to the upside, but that small push comes with a huge profit, considering that I opened 3 positions. So yeah, let's just have a look at how much we have made. So we've made $8.70 something cents. So yeah, this is a little bit of a win, but the market still needs to push to the upside. So yeah, let's just close all our positions and secure the little profit that we have for now. And then I'm considering putting more positions, because the market still needs to complete the W formation here, but it's leaving a lot of gaps in between. I'm not sure if is it how booms and crashes work, but yeah, I'm just going to add another position, and then yeah, let's just see. I've just added 2 positions for now, and then yeah, this thing is really taking a lot of time, but it just needs you to be patient. So yeah, this is after an hour. The market is still playing around. It went up a little bit, and yeah, it just keeps playing at the same spot. So it went up a little bit, and then now it's crashing down, and then yeah, it's not really giving us the spikes that we need. So at this point, I'm thinking of just closing this trade, and then see what other instrument that we usually trade and we usually know that it moves. Let's just give another instrument a chance, because I've never really traded booms and crashes. So yeah, I'm not sure if is it how they move or what, but let's just see what other instrument we can trade from here. So the minimum volume for VIX 75 is 0.01. So I've closed the trades. We're now at $29.03. So let's just visit Volatility 75, and then I've spotted something nice there that we can capitalize on. So let's just zoom in, zoom out a little bit, and see a clear picture of what is happening here. So on the H1, we're having a bit of an uptrend, but it hasn't made multiple touches yet on the diagonal supporting trend line. But as you can see there, we've had a level of support. We have a level of support there. So the market has failed to break below. As you can see, it touched there multiple times. It also touched the trend line. So once it touches there and it touches the trend line, there's a higher chance, if it fails to break below, that the market will push to the upside. And that is a very strong move that we need to look out for. So I'm just going to add 1 position here, and let's just add multiple positions to just see, because I'm pretty sure that this is going to push way too high. So yeah, on the daily time frame, the market still needs to push to a certain resistance level just at the top there. So let me just draw that. As you can see, there's a very high resisting level there. At least if the market can touch that area, then it can only reverse to the downside. But for now, we'll just wait and see how much we can make from this, and see how much we can capitalize to further grow this account. So the waiting game begins. So this is after a couple of hours. The market spiked to the upside, so this is a major win for us. So let's put in our diagonal resisting trend line. So this still has a long way to push to the upside. So yeah, this is a major push for us. From 29.3 cents, we're now in a profit of 15.70 something dollars there. So yeah, this is a big win for us. Remember, in the beginning of this video, we only had 70 something cents. So from 70 something cents all the way to around $40. So we have really grown this account. So yeah, the market still has to push to the upside, but I think it's just best to close up all our profits and just to secure the profits for now. And then yeah, let's just go ahead and just close and then call it a day. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.